What's up with y'all, man? Pools TV here, back with another one. Man, we back on the truck. Got some parts. We're gonna get on some front end work, but it won't be this video. This video, man, we finna try to get the heater situated, and we're gonna try to put some electric fans on this thing. This video here gonna be mostly electric fans. So y'all stay tuned, man. We gonna go ahead and get a cold start on the truck, man. You know, just because we ain't going nowhere, but we just gonna get a cold start, man. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, man, here go the truck. That's a nice shot right there. That's a nice shot of Iron Man, boy, with them rallies. Yes, sir. We headed to the inside. Finna give y'all this cold start. Give y'all this quick little start up. Give it them 2 packs. See what we get. Yes, sir. On the first hit, boy. But Iron Man, you might be fuel injected, boy. Might be fuel injected, boy. Alright, man, I'm gonna give y'all a few revs and we're gonna shut it off. We don't want the engine to get too hot. I ain't trying to burn myself. But here we go. It's cold, it's cold. Alright, man, still cold. We don't want to rev right. But anyway, let me go ahead and pop this hood, man. Show y'all what we got up on here. Gonna get started on this fan. So we finna take that off, take that big boy off, and finna see if we can free up a little horsepower, man. That's what we're gonna try to do. That's what the goal is for today. Gonna be a couple part video, and yeah, man. But hey, y'all just stay tuned, man. I'm finna go grab the electric fans, and matter of fact, we're gonna go do a little ride, and man, we're gonna see if the truck performs any better, if it you know, revs any better after this thing. So matter of fact, I'm gonna crank back up, let it warm up, and we're gonna go for a little ride first, man. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, so man, real quick before we get on this road, hit this road, I'm gonna test these fans out too. I'm gonna test the fans out because I hadn't even tested them yet. These fans come off of a 2003 Ford Windstar. The little vans. Spent $50 for them off of eBay. Till they're used, they're a little dirty. We might spray them off before we put them on. We ain't trying to make them pretty or perfect or nothing like that. Maybe when we swap motors and all that, we'll do that. But yeah, came off of a 2003 Ford Windstar. Alright, so pigtails didn't come with it. If you can get the pigtails, get them. But I didn't get them, so I had to order these off of Amazon for like, they might have been like $14 a piece or something like that. But anyway, so we got the this little cheap kit, came off of eBay for like $15. Got all the connectors and everything, fuses and everything. And you got your temperature thing, which triggers the fan to come on once the engine gets to a certain temperature. And this is how we're gonna connect it to the radiator. We're just gonna stick these through, and that's how we're gonna get it connected. We got two packs of them. I think these like $6-7 on Amazon or eBay. But anyway, let's start by testing these fans out, and we're gonna go do a ride, and then once I get these electric fans on, we're gonna do another ride. So y'all stay tuned. We're gonna truly see, do these fans unlock in the horsepower, man. Y'all stay tuned. All right, man, first things first, we're gonna test fit them. Let's figure out what side is the top. Yeah, all right, so they go this way. We're gonna slide them in there in front of the old fans. They should fit. Alright, we got them in. And this is what we got, man. They fit in there pretty good. On this side, they fit in there pretty good. And on this side, they fit in there good. So they're gonna look pretty good in there. Alright, so now let's test these fans out. Which I'm gonna just go straight to the battery. So stand by, let me get it out. Alright, man, got this thing out of here. And thing got 3 wires on it. I ain't sure which one do which, but we finna find out. I'm finna try to find out right here, right now. So, oh man, my screw, I lost my screw out of there, man. Anyway, so we got the ground on this side, so it's gonna be a hard reach. So y'all hold on, let me reposition this thing, then I bring y'all back in. So y'all just hold on. All right, man, I'm having to try to do this thing with one hand, but I'm gonna try to get it where y'all can see it. Hopefully y'all saw that. If not, y'all can see it spinning. So that's how it is working. I'm gonna check the other side. Y'all stay tuned. I'm checking in. Gonna check this other side. Let me prop y'all up. There it is. Both sides working good. Got them off eBay. Got a 3-month warranty with them. So I need to go and put them on. Go ahead and get them to work. Anyway, stay tuned. We're finna go for this ride. We're finna see if this thing doing it better. Then we're gonna come back, take this old fan off, and then we're gonna start working on the relays and stuff like that, getting all that stuff hooked up. So y'all stay tuned, man. We finna try to unlock a little horsepower here, man. So stay tuned. Man, we in the truck. See if she fire right back up. Let's see. Yes, sir. Alright, man, you might be fuel injection, boy. I think we ready to roll. Y'all stay tuned, man. Hey, finna get out to the road, and we just gonna do a few pulls, and we just gonna see if we can tell the difference, man. Ain't no dynos, none of that. We just gonna get out, we gonna ride, and we gonna see if this thing perform any better, man. So y'all just stay tuned. I got y'all in some pretty good positions. Got my 2 GoPros up. Got y'all up in some pretty good positions, man. So we finna get the full ride. Take a quick ride down to Mexico, man. Quick little ride down to Mexico, man. Y'all just hang on for the ride, man. Hang on for the ride. Alright, man. We in Mexico. Like I said, man, I know y'all can't see me, but y'all can see what's important. So we finna get the thing turned around, and we finna drop this thing down to 1. Matter of fact, man, I'm gonna get y'all some burnout footage. Get y'all some burnout footage. Get y'all y'all some burnout footage. I know y'all can't see it, but we'll have to get out. We'll have to get out after. We'll have to get out after I finish. We'll have to do it. I'll show y'all what the line look like. Y'all a real pull from a full dig. Alright. That was everything Iron Man had right there. That was all of it. Man, here go my one good line right here. One good long line, buddy. Look at that. Look at that. All the way up the street. One good long line right there. Good job, man. Good job. Even though you ain't got positive traction, good job. Alright, man. We finna head back to the crib. When I get there, man, I'm gonna check in with y'all and we gonna start working. Alright, so man, as far as we done got right here, pretty much took should be a fourth stud in there, man, but it missing, which don't surprise me. But pretty much got, this was a 13mm. Just I use a ratchet wrench, get down in there and get it off. But I didn't take the fourth one off. I just took those three off and pretty much left that one on, because that's what's holding the pulley on too. So I'm got the fan out. That would look like in there. Got a little space in there now. And man, this fan got a little weight to it. Fan got a little weight to it, man. So got a little bit of a weight to it. So I can see, well, we might pick up a few horses. We're gonna see if I can actually tell the difference though. That's what matters to me. So we're gonna put these cause like I said, man, that was holding that pulley on now. So we got to run them back on now. Run them all the way back on now. I ain't got but 3 of them, but I'm gonna run them up pretty tight, so shouldn't be an issue. Let me go grab my little power tool, man, cause, well, matter of fact, man, I got my 13. I ain't gonna be lazy. We'll do a little work. Anyway, man, y'all stay tuned, man, and I'm gonna check back in. Alright, man, this video's starting to get kind of long, man, so this is where we at so far. It's gonna be a part 2. I don't know what I'm gonna call this thing. Budget fans for a C10, or probably anything with this size radiator on it, man. Anything close, because I probably still got like pretty good amount of space down that side. And see how close I am on this side. Let's see, yeah, still got a few inches on that side. Maybe got about an inch on that side, about an inch on the other side. So yeah, man, something smaller, a little bit smaller radiator probably would work, which this ain't a big radiator at all. It ain't that big. But anyway, man, this is pretty much how it goes. Like it kind of zip ties to the radiator. You got your little things right there for like a cushion, which they ain't much, but I guess it'll hold it for now. Some at the bottom. That's how they go in. Now I just gotta clip these little ends off of them. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it. Y'all, let me go grab my wire cutters. We're gonna cut them short, and that pretty much gonna be it. All right, man, there it is, finished up. Come over here and get y'all a better view. Got them electric fans sitting in there, and they look a whole lot better. So yeah, man, got everything bolted back in. Yeah, that's how it looks. Yeah, it don't look the best, but good to do for right now. Those them down in there. And in the next video, we gonna get this thing wired up. I figured out this was power and ground. I'm assuming it's just like the trigger wire. When you get to that certain temperature, that triggers it to make them come on. Still trying to debate if I want to hook both of them up or just one of them. That's still, you know, what I'm asking, what I'm still trying to figure out. But yeah, man, that's gonna end this one. We got the fans in there, and yeah, man, that's pretty much it. So y'all like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for part 2. It's just part 1. We're gonna wire it up, and we're gonna go for another drive. We're gonna see if them things actually made a difference. So like I said, man, I appreciate all the support, everything. Yeah, man, continue to like the video, subscribe, everything, man. Pools TV, man, I'm gone.